Hello and welcome to HP Calcs. I'm Rick, and today we're going to look at how to find decimal degrees and DMS, or degrees minutes seconds, on the Texas Instruments TI-30X 2S calculator. To do this, we'll be using the degree minute seconds key, which looks like this and is found right here. Alright, let's say we have 45 degrees, 30 minutes, and 0 seconds that we want to convert to decimal degrees. Say to using a trigonometric equation. To do that, we would start by entering the degrees, so 45, and then press the degree minute seconds key, which brings up this menu. Here we have degrees, minutes, seconds, as well as some other options, but we only want to worry about these three right now. So we highlight the degrees and hit enter, and we see we now have the degree symbol behind the 45. Next, 30 minutes. Move over to the right one, select the minute symbol, hit enter. And we can enter any seconds we have. We don't have to, since we don't in this case, but we will for the example. So 00, degree minute seconds key, highlight the seconds, and hit enter. Alright, there we have 45 degrees, 30 minutes, 0 seconds. Now to convert this to decimal degrees, we hit enter, and you see we have 45.5, which we know is the same as 45 degrees, 30 seconds. Let's say we were given 45.5 degrees, and we wanted to convert that to degrees, minutes, seconds. We would place the 45.5 on the top screen, and then press the degree minute seconds key to bring up this menu. And this time we'll scroll to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times onto the next screen and highlight this DMS. Hit enter so that we have 45.5 into DMS. Hit enter one more time, and we see that has converted it for us into 45 degrees, 30 minutes, 0 seconds. Alright, I hope this was helpful, and good luck on those tests.